When it's mango season, lots of mangoes will be relished and then the seed thrown away. When you have a mango tree at home and get lots of mangoes, you can imagine the amount of seeds thrown away. But our elders thought out a way to make use of even the seeds. And that is Ambiya Paari Shimpi, a very tasty, totally time pass food for the kids and elders alike. I learned this from my mother who used to make this for us often. First, choose a large seed and break the hard shell. Gently remove the soft kernel without breaking it. Remove the dark skin and dry it under the sun for 2 days. Now to add this along with the other kernels in a jar with plain water. No need to add salt. Just keep changing the water for 7 to 10 days until the kernel becomes soft. This treatment is to remove the tartness of the kernels. Now after 10 days, I am soaking 3/4 cup of rice for 3 to 4 hours.
सर्वांके केकेचे चॅनलांतून स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओजचे अडकेल्यानंतर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिचणीचे मिरसाणीचे कुडसाणीचे रंदेई अडकई हे सगळं व्हिडिओस तुम्ही एक व्ह्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे पट शेअर करका. व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Take the washed and soaked rice in a mixer jar. Add about 5 kernels, half cup of grated coconut and about 5 red chillies. Grind this to a smooth paste, adding as little water as possible. To the smooth paste now, add 1/4 teaspoon haldi and salt to taste. Also add a 1/4 cup of fine rice flour. Knead it well along with a little hing to a smooth, pliable dough. Pinch out tiny bits, roll lightly into small balls and flatten lightly like this. Don't press the balls too hard. Make tiny ones like this. Now we can deep fry them. Heat oil till very hot and carefully drop them in oil. Reduce flame for a little while so that the insides too get cooked well. Then increase flame and fry them to a deep reddish brown. Do likewise with the rest of the balls. Here is a crispy treats for your kids and grown-ups too. It's a great time pass food. You can also make crisp chakkulis with the dough. Enjoy making both and look out for the next recipe with mango kernels. Do not forget to like and subscribe.